Hey everybody, it's Anissa Moore of Anissa Moore Consulting. I'm actually coming to you from a hotel room. I've been traveling around a lot, trying to do good things for educators because you guys are doing good things for kids. We are starting off the school year, and you are going to encounter some kiddos that are not motivated to come back to school. Some of y'all might have already started your classes. Some of y'all are gearing up for your classes. You're trying to get your rooms ready. You're trying to get your lesson plans ready. But what I want you to really get ready is planning out each morning or each class period, if you're a secondary teacher, meaningful greetings and connections with all of your kiddos. You are not going to have a good relationship with a kiddo if you don't make a connection and you use really specific greetings, especially for those kiddos that really don't want to be there. Those are the kiddos that need your attention the most. So making sure that you know their name, finding out what they're interested in, if they're playing sports after school, saying, hey, so-and-so, I heard that you play soccer. How was that game yesterday? Or finding out what games that they're into, what they play at home, and trying to really specify some of those special things that might make a kid go, wow, my teacher's actually interested in me. Because so many kids do not feel like people are interested in them, and they don't have those positive relationships sometimes at home or in the community, like with other peers, and they don't have a lot of friends outside of school, or sometimes they struggle to make friends, period. These are the guys that if you can establish really strong, positive initial greetings and foster that communication with that kiddo, even if it looks like they don't want to be there, you are going to make a difference with that kid. So while you're doing your lesson plans and while you're getting your room set up, I want you to take a sticky note and I want you to write something on the sticky note like greet our kids every morning or make sure to make a connection. And I want you to post it up on the doorway of your door as you're walking out into the hallway, because so many of y'all are probably doing like hallway duty and watching everybody and trying to monitor kids in the hallways. So each time that you're walking out, you see a visual for yourself that reminds you, make connections every class period. I hope this helps. I hope you have a wonderful school year.